All eyes will be on bank stocks during trading today. Asian markets already taking a roller coaster ride this morning after Credit Suisse stock took a dive yesterday.
Switzerland's central bank stepping in to help, but investors are still worried about what that could mean about the global financial system. Jared Hill has more from New York as Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen is about to testify about the nation's banking industry.
Turbulence on Wall Street Wednesday after shares of one of Europe's largest banks plunged. Credit Suisse announced it will borrow nearly $54 billion from the Swiss National Bank to shore up its finances.
That's important because it means the institution can function.
Investor panic led to stock losses for four major U.S. banks. It comes just days after federal regulators took over Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank of New York. Today, Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen is set to be grilled by a Senate committee. She's expected to reiterate what she told CBS News Face the Nation earlier this week.
The American banking system is really safe and well capitalized. It's resilient.
In the wake of the failures of the two U.S. banks, there are new calls for accountability and legislation. The White House and congressional Democrats pushing for tighter regulations. Senate Dems have already introduced a bill that would claw back any bonuses or profits earned from stock sales within 60 days of a financial firm's collapse.
These top executives should be held accountable. They almost cratered our entire banking system.
But some Republicans say it's too soon.
I think it'd be premature to start talking about solutions before we fully define the problem and ultimately get answers from the regulators.
On that path, the Department of Justice and the Securities and Exchange Commission have launched investigations into the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank. Jared Hill, CBS News, New York.